All right, hey guys, it's Audrey and
Victoria.
So our hairstyle that we're doing today, we want to do some updos for you guys. So this is a really easy, cool, and fun twist ponytail. Literally a twist, right? All right, so here we go. All right, guys, so with these videos, I am not going to be doing any editing. I'm going to just let them run just so you guys can actually see a true tutorial. And the videos that are going to be like maybe a little bit longer, I will speed them up, but I will let you know, but I will not be editing them. So that if there's anything that's going to be edited out, I want you guys to be able to see truly all the steps that go into a hairstyle. So I have my son videotaping right behind me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to explain every single step for you guys. I am not by any means a hair expert. I just love playing with hair. Victoria's my 5th child, my only daughter. And, you know, I just really have enjoyed playing with her hair. So this again, is a twist ponytail. I actually saw this style this summer on a little girl at our pool club. I asked the mom, she told me how she did it, and she's been doing it I've been doing it with her ever since. So you want to just make kind of a high ponytail. Funny thing is Victoria used to hate high ponytails. Remember that, sis?
Now I love them.
Now you love it. She always used to make me do low ponytails. So she has a really high ponytail. Obviously she has long hair, but you don't have to have super long hair to do this. My hair is a little bit longer than my shoulders, and I can do this style on my own hair as well. You could do this on like shorter hair. It would just not look like this, but you could get a version of it. So you're gonna take the ponytail, brush it to make sure it's straight. As you guys know, I usually love to hit it with some leave-in spray conditioner just to make sure that I get everything nice and smooth so that it is not at all fuzzy, like what am I going to say? All like, not fuzzy, but all kind of tough, frizzy and tough to actually get my brush through. So then you're going to take the hair and you're going to part it in 2 sections. Super easy. I'm going to put this right here. Victoria, maybe you can just hold that on your shoulder so that it doesn't come back. So then you're going to take one of the sections and you're going to divide it in half again, just like this, and you're going to twist it. See what I'm doing? I'm just twisting it, and I'm doing it tight because as soon as I band it, it's going to become a little looser as well. I don't know, William, if you need to come over a little. I'm sure you're getting me nice, actually doing this, a nice twist. Twisting, 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 all the way down. Very easy. Anybody can twist hair, I feel like, right? Anybody could do it. And I kind of been saying to Victoria, if Daddy can do these styles, then anybody can do these styles because he had never girls' hair to play with. So I'm going to, all the way down, I'm going to put an elastic band.
Yeah,
now, full disclosure, I usually like to use smaller elastics, rubber elastics. I have an order coming in from Amazon that I'm waiting for. So as soon as they come in, this will be easier. But for the sake of the videos, I mean, I'm just going to do these elastics here. But if you do see that they are a little thick, you are correct. So you see, even on the bottom, I'm trying to get one more loop through. Okay, and as you can tell, when I let it go, it does become a little bit looser. That's okay. You just want to make sure you get a good twist in there. And then, Victoria, I'm going to have you turn your head this way a little bit so I can do, and then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to repeat this on the other side. And again, I know that I could be doing some fast forwarding here, but I really do want to show you exactly step by step what I'm doing all the way down. And it really kind of looks like a, like a braided, right here, a cool little like braid, like a rope braid on this side. But it's just knotting it, going down just like this. And then I'm going to take an elastic and I'm going to look on the bottom and see I want them to be even on the bottom, the ends. And I'm going to put another elastic band on the bottom. And again, like I know what happened on the other one, it's going to become a little bit looser, the twists, as I let go. But that is expected and that's okay. All right, so there we go. So right away we have 2 little sections here that one obviously is a little bit more than the other. That's totally fine and that's okay. I'm just gonna find one more elastic band that I need, and then I'm gonna show you guys after I do this, once I actually coil them through, just like this, you're going to, at the bottom, elastic band them. So you're going to take these 2 sections, and could you wear it like this, like a ponytail on its own? 100%. I think that's kind of cute too. But watch how fun this is. So Victoria, I'm going to have you put your head back just a little bit. You're going to take these sections, and now you're just going to coil them over each other just like this. So all you're doing is just coiling them over just like this. Now you can do, you could stop halfway, you could go all the way down. I went all the way down. And now the reason why I was telling you that it's easier to use smaller elastics is because right now on the bottom, simply because all I have on hand right now is these thicker ones, it's going to be more of like a thicker elastic band on the bottom, but you can easily hide that by getting a cute little scrunchie or something. Do you still have that? Oh, you have that pink scrunchie on your hand. Can I have that pink scrunchie? We're going to use a little pink scrunchie and we're going to disguise the bottom a bit so you can't see that big rough section. And then here you have a cute little coil braid, just like that, like a twist ponytail. It looks like a braid, but it's not, and no braiding went into it. And then you could have some fun yourself, and you could go through and you could open them up a little bit just to make it a little bit thicker. All depends on, you know, what you want it to look like. I always think it's fun just to kind of go through and kind of open them up just a little bit, just to make it look more of like a coiled, almost looks like a chain in a way. But again, it's a cute little ponytail. Again, anybody could wear this. You don't have to be like, you know, 12 and under. Anybody could rock this on the tennis courts. You could wear this, hiking, anywhere you want, or just like, you know, just out and about. It's a really cute little style. How do you like it?
I love it.
You love it? You could put a barrette up here or a big bow. But again, just another easy, fun style, totally doable that you can do right from home.